how to download an n8n data table as a CSV file. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily import or download your data table, your n8n data table as a CSV file. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is launch your n8n instance. In my case, since I'm using n8n locally, I have launched my local n8n instance. Now the next thing that we're going to do is head on to the overview option and then click onto the data tables. Now within the data table, choose that particular data table which you wish to import as a CSV. So for example, let's say I want to get this particular data table as a CSV. So I'm going to click onto these three dots and click import CSV option. Sorry, the download CSV option. If you wish to add data into this, you choose the import CSV. But if you want this data table to be converted to a CSV file and then you download it, you click download CSV. And once you do this, you also have this option to include system columns like the ID created at and updated at. If you want those as well, you can simply click onto this check mark and click download, and you can see that this data table has been downloaded as a CSV file. So that was pretty much it about this particular video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.